Hey guys, ZedTV here. Welcome back to another video. So today, I would like to post my 1K special, 1K sub special. And some of you might be upset, some of you might be happy about it, but I've actually gone away from my idea of a 1K sub special video. With making that short film video, it seems it will take quite a while in terms of shooting the film and editing it, and yeah, it was just going to be too much of a commitment. My summer holidays has already been really busy, so I wouldn't have been able to fit it all in, and plus my friends who were going to edit it and take part in it, it's just time. We just can't fit it in, so perhaps we can fit it for like a 2K or a 10K sub special video if we ever reach that far, which is the dream. I'm just going to run through all the details I was going to do. So it was meant to be a short film stuck at school, so it would have been in my school, which I'm obviously not going to name my school for obvious reasons, but it would have been a short film there, of a collaboration of Oskar being the shooter and the editor and a couple of my other friends just taking part. No money spent on it, just no budget, and it just would have been quite nice to record that, but I definitely haven't closed it as an option. It's still as an option, hopefully as a 2K or a 10K by the end of year 13. It will just be a nice video right at the end, so that's definitely open as an option. Yeah, because I just really want to do it. So today I've just thought, what can I do that's a special video for you guys for reaching 1K, and something that's not my usual sort of videos. And the first and only and last thing that came to my head was a house tour and a room tour. So I mean, that's what I've just shot, and I'm just going to show you around my house. And if any of you remember my old channel, I'm not going to say what it is, but I did do a house tour and a room tour on that old channel, so you can check that out if you want and compare it to this one. But yeah, house tour it is. Yeah, just enjoy. I guess this is all I've got as my 1K special, and enjoy. See you later. noticed, my house is kind of messy, but this is the main room, my room. I'm just gonna go straight in. That's what I've got on my door. Batman thing. I'm gonna talk through all of this. So there's a lot going on in my room. Let's start at the top. That. Got my PS4 games, my PS4 box, books, all my old games up there, books, karate trophies, moving down to stuff on my walls. Bed's a bit messy. My old Xbox 360, PS3, my footballs, badminton stuff, my boxing stuff, my school stuff. Yeah, this is the view from the window. Just my coats and my bathrobes there. So that's that side. Here's my bed, obviously. Just some paintings. So as you can see, there's a lot of stuff on my walls there. School stuff, important things. My black belt certificate, my medals, my black belt coming down. Man City stuff, of course. This is where I study and I record. My book, my water bottle, everything here. And this is one of my wardrobes. A lot of things going on in here. All my A-level stuff, my GCSE stuff are down here. All my old school stuff. There's my mirror. Another wardrobe, my stuff in it. And yeah. See, I've got a lot of stuff. I mean, I'm gonna have to clear it out one day, that's for sure. There's my laptop. There's my school laptop. I don't even know where my other laptop is. And I've got an ensuite. The shower on one side, all my paintings on the top, and some really cool stuff. And yeah. There you go, that's my room. And I've got a Wi-Fi booster in here, COVID stuff, because that's essential in our lives these days. All of my stationery, just random stuff, wires and game controllers and all that.